So we're at Burnett Avenue, a 3-bed mid-terraced house. Almost finished in its refurbishment, 1 or 2 little jobs still to do. Out the front here you've got a big long driveway. You get at least 1 car on there, maybe 2. And just pan round, just show you a street scene before we walk in and take a look at the property. So we've got 3 beds in total, 1 big reception on the ground floor and a kitchen diner. As you come in through the front door, you're met by the stairs rising to the first floor. Let's turn left and we'll take a look at the living room. It's all been freshly painted. Carpets have all been either cleaned or replaced. This is a lovely light room with windows to the rear elevation and to the front elevation. So you've got plenty of space here for all your living room furniture, television table, etc. There's the view out. So the garden is scheduled to be cut and a little bit of tidying up still to be done. Nice big room, and it links with the kitchen. We're coming through here, you can see we've got some units at base and wall level. Now we're just waiting for the hob to be replaced in this one, which will be done very shortly. And you've got a stainless steel sink and drainer. You've got space and plumbing for a washing machine. You've got under counter space over here, vented perhaps out for a dryer. And there is room over there for a little bit of dining as well. If we walk back out to where we came in at the hallway and make our way upstairs, we can show you the bedrooms and the family bathroom. So we'll turn left, take a look at this double room at the front of the house. Nice new carpets gone down. You've got some built-in storage space there and more space over there in that niche. Our second bedroom is also a double, also looking out to the front of the property. And this one has a little bit of storage space in here, but it does contain the gas-fired boiler. And then our third bedroom, looking out to the rear of the property, is a good size. Plenty of space there for beds, wardrobes, chest of drawers, dressing tables, etc. Family bathroom. It's got 3 pieces: pedestal wash hand basin, toilet. We've got the shower over the bath, which is an electric shower and a shower screen. And back onto the hallway, there's a little bit of storage. So it's a decent 3-bed mid-terrace property. Almost ready now, so if you're interested in taking a view, please do get in touch with Hunters. Ideal for families. Good sized garden out the back, parking out the front. And available now, so please give us a call.